This question asks, which three of the following reasons could not Which three of the following reasons could not be used as a justification for a spin-off? Now, to answer this question, we need to fully understand what a spin-off is. And this is where you potentially have one large company made up of potentially lots of divisions, but if we just consider two to start off with, Division 1 and Division 2, the company simply splits this off into two separate entities. But the shareholders who owned all of the company originally still own shares in both of these. It's just that they're now two completely separate companies. As such, no cash is raised. This is not being sold, it's just splitting the company up into two separate entities. Therefore, if we're looking for reasons that could not be justified, first of all, to raise cash for further investment, no, it can't be one of those because there's no cash. To pay excess cash back to shareholders, no cash is paid back. To enable the managers of a business unit to take control of their business. This is the sort of thing that happens with a management buyout, but we're not letting the managers own the business. They may run a separate one, but the shareholders will still own it. So that is also not a justification for a spin-off. If we just check the last two, to eliminate diseconomies of scale, that could be a justification. The company's got too big and we can't manage it. Or to comply with legal or regulatory requirements, that could also be the case. You could simply be too big and the authorities won't allow that, so they force you to split it up. So the first three are not justifications, and as such, the correct answer is A, B, and C.